Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is January 7th. It's my birthday. It's 20. I'm actually going to Mexico for my birthday, so I decided to do a vlog of me packing, showing you guys my last minute errands, and I'm gonna do a separate video of my trip to Mexico. So yeah, I just show you guys everything I have to pack. Very messy right now because I have everything everywhere I have to pack now because we leave really early in the morning. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go to get my eyebrows done and then pick up some last minute makeup products that I need. Hey guys, I'm back. This lighting is very terrible right now, but I just got back from dinner. Right now I have to finish packing. Well, I have to start packing. I have everything laid out that I'm gonna take, but I have to pack it all up, and yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna fit. And I'm just gonna show you guys footage of me packing it up. It should all fit. I don't really have a lot, but at the same time I do. And I'm just taking a carry-on, so we'll see if all this can fit. But yeah, I just have shorts, a few pairs of jeans, some shirts, and a lot of bathing suits, and a lot of shoes. Yeah, we're just gonna see. You guys can watch me pack. So as you guys can see, I'm just packing up all my stuff that I'm taking in my bag. Honestly, about like 45% of the stuff that I took, I didn't end up wearing. So it was just like a waste of space. I could have had way more space in there just to sit everything comfortably and not have to put everything else that didn't fit in my Dior bag. I mean, in the end, it was okay. I mean, everything I took with me that I really liked, I wore, but just some extra stuff like some jeans that I had, like I really didn't necessarily need to bring. But all in all, it was good, and I'm glad I packed at least all the essentials. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and also watch my previous videos. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so I just managed to fit all the stuff I'm taking in here. I might have to put my makeup in my Dior bag just because there's really not enough room in here because I set to the burn. But we're gonna see. Guys, so since the pack with me video was pretty short, I decided to just go ahead and show you guys what I got for my birthday as well, since it was on my birthday that I filmed that video. So yeah, starting off, I'll show you what was in this bag. I didn't really get much because I went to Mexico and that was more than enough, but yeah. So starting off, I got these shoes, these Uggs. Look at them, they're so cute. Like, I've been wanting to get these for a while. I'm glad I got them because they're really cute. I might need to go up a size, but these still fit good, but I feel like I'd be more comfortable with the size up. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, next thing I got is just a Victoria's Secret gift card. I got 2 of them. So we already know I'm about to go give me some clothes. I also got something from Pandora. I already opened up, as you can see, but yeah, I got something from Pandora. First, I got these beautiful earrings. Like, oh my gosh, look how cute they are. I hope you guys can see it well. They look so cute. They're so pretty. They're like a navy blue gem. I'll insert a picture or put one up so you guys can see it better, but they're so cute. And then also with that, I have a Pandora charm bracelet. So he got me the matching bracelet that goes with the earrings. I hope you guys can see it. If not, I'll just insert a picture. But yeah, thank you. Next up, my siblings got me some candy. They got me like the big thing of, what is it called? Ring pops. They got me a big thing of ring pops, and great. And then I got socks. I got socks for Christmas as well. I guess people are just tired of me wearing 2 different pairs of socks, which I feel like there's no problem with. Like, why do your socks have to match? But I mean, I needed socks anyways, but I don't, like, I'm usually mismatching my socks. I guess people were tired of that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I got that. And then just the card. Oh, and then finally I got this, just this little bracelet. I got these from my siblings. And yeah, that was it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down any videos you guys would like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.